Okay, hi, my name is Kovartan, and today I will present my topic review for the cost marketing management. The focus of this presentation is to analyzing the dynamic marketing environment through market research, which helps the companies make better strategic decisions. For this assignment, I reviewed two recent journals, the year between 2023 and then 2026. The first article discussed the role of marketing analytics and then the data-driven decision making in modern organization. The second article focused on the digital marketing strategies and the influence in consumer behavior. So the objective of this assignment is to summarize the key ideas from the articles, identify the managerial issue discussed by the authors, present the recommendation, and finally provide my own recommendation based on the marketing concept and real world context. So through this analysis, we can better understand how organizations adapt their marketing strategy to respond to a rapidly changing business environment. Okay, the first article I reviewed came from the journal called Journal of Business Research. The article focused on how marketing analytics and data-driven strategies influence managerial decision-making in modern business. The main purpose of this research is to examine how companies use data analytics tools to understand the customer behavior, predict market trends, and improve marketing performance. With the growth of digital technology, organizations now collect massive amounts of data from multiple sources such as online purchases, social media interaction, and website activity. The article explains the marketing analytics allows managers to convert raw data into useful insights. These insights help companies identify the customer needs, evaluate the market campaigns, and make more informed strategic decisions. However, the article also highlights the important issue faced by many organizations. While companies collect large amount values of customers' data, many managers struggle to interpret the data effectively. In other words, the data alone does not automatically create value. Without proper analytic skills and systems, companies may fail to transform data into actionable marketing strategies. Another challenge discussed in the article is increasing complexity of the marketing environment. Consumer preference change quickly and competitors continuously introduce new products and digital platforms constantly evolve. So because of these factors, managers must rely on advanced analytics tools to understand the market trends and faster decision making. Therefore, the key issue addressed in this article is how manager can effectively use marketing analytics to respond to dynamic marketing conditions and improve decision making. Okay, Article 1 recommendation. To address these challenges, the author proposed several important recommendations. First, organizations should invest in predictive analytic tools. Predictive analytics uses historical data and statistical models to forecast the future customer behavior. For example, companies can predict the customers are more likely to purchase the certain products or react to the certain marketing campaigns. Second, the authors recommend integrating marketing analytics into the strategic decision making. Instead of treating analytics as a separate function, companies should incorporate data insight into all aspects of marketing planning and strategic development. Third, organizations should improve the collaboration between the marketing teams and data analysis. By working together, managers and analysts can interpret the complex data more effectively and develop better marketing strategies. Okay, and then based on my understanding of this article, I would also suggest several additional recommendations. First, companies should improve the training program for the marketing managers so they can develop stronger analytics skills. When managers understand how to interpret the data, they can make better strategic decisions. Second, organization must ensure the responsible and ethical use of customer data. As companies collect some personal information from consumers, protecting the data privacy becomes extremely important. So managers must follow the ethical guidelines and maintain transparency with the customers. So overall, the combination of advanced analytics, skilled manager, and ethical data practice will help the companies use marketing analytics more effectively. Okay, the second article I review is published in Journal of Strategic Marketing. This research focuses on the impact of digital marketing strategies on consumer behavior. In recent years, digital marketing has become one of the most important tools used by the companies to reach the customers. Platforms such as social media, online advertising, and influencer marketing have transformed the way business communicate with their target audience. The article explains the digital marketing allows companies to interact directly with the consumer and provide personalized experience. For example, social media advertisement can be customized based on the user interests, online behavior, and previous purchase. So this research also highlights the how digital platforms influence the consumer decision making. Consumers often rely on online reviews, recommendation, often from influencers and social media content when evaluating the product and services. However, the articles also identify several issues related to digital marketing. One major issue is the rapid change in the consumer expectations. Modern consumers expect brands to provide personalized and engaging experience. If companies fail to meet these expectations, customers may quickly switch to competitors. Another issue is the challenge of maintaining the trust in digital environments. Consumers are increasingly concerned about the privacy and data security. When companies misuse the personal information or create misleading advertisements, consumer trust can be damaged. Therefore, the key issue discussed in this article is how marketing managers can use digital marketing strategy effectively while maintaining the consumer trust and adapting to the changing customer behavior. Okay, Article 2 recommendation. To address these issues, the authors provide several recommendations for marketing managers. First, companies should develop personalized marketing strategies that deliver relevant content to the individual customers. Personalized marketing can increase the engagement and improve customer satisfaction. Second, organizations should focus on building trust and transparency. Companies must communicate honestly with their consumers and clearly explain how customer data is used. Third, the author suggests that business actively engage with the customer on digital platforms by responding to comments, reviews, and feedbacks can build stronger relationship with their audience. And then, based on my understanding, I will also propose additional recommendation. First, companies should use social media analytics tools to monitor customer sentiment and identify emerging trends. This allows managers to quickly adjust marketing strategies based on customers' feedback. Second, organizations should adopt their digital marketing strategies according to the different markets and cultural contexts. Customer behavior varies across the region, so market campaign must be localized to meet the needs of the different audience. So these strategies can help companies to create more effective digital marketing campaigns and maintain strong relationship with their customers. Okay, in conclusion, the two academic articles we review in this presentation highlight the importance of understanding the dynamic nature of marketing environment. The first article emphasized the role of marketing analytics in helping managers to interpret the data and make better strategic decisions. It shows that data-driven marketing can improve organizational performance when managers effectively use the analytic tools and insights. The second article focuses on the digital marketing strategies and the impact on consumer behavior. It demonstrates that digital platforms have significantly changed how consumers interact with the brands and make purchasing decisions. So both articles are highlighting that modern marketing managers must adapt to the technological changes, evolving consumer expectations and increased market competition. So in order to succeed in this environment, companies must invest in marketing analytic tools, conduct continuous market research, and develop flexible marketing strategies that respond quickly to the market changes. Ultimately, the organization that effectively combine technology, data insight, and strategic decision making will be better positioned to achieve long-term competitive advantage. Thank you for the attention.